ReplaceLCD.com, your source for replacement LCD screens. Notice, the LCD installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At ReplaceLCD.com, we've created a searchable database of LCD installation guides. Simply go to ReplaceLCD.com, click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom installation guide for your LCD. That's all. You're now ready to install your new LCD screen.
Start by removing the laptop battery. Remove the plastic caps from the LCD with something thin. Unscrew the screws from the LCD bezel. Remove the plastic caps from the sides. Gently remove the plastic bezel. Pull in an upward motion. Remove the screws from the LCD hinges. Unplug the inverter cable from your LCD. Your LCD has now been removed and is ready for replacement.
ReplaceLCD.com, your source for replacement LCD screens.